Imagine a car that redefines luxury, a car that doesn't just transport you. This is the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL Mythos series, the new pinnacle of Mercedes-Benz craftsmanship and opulence. It's more than a vehicle. It's a symbol of what happens when engineering precision meets artistic perfection. From the very first glance, the SL Mythos captures attention like no other. Its long, sculpted hood, wide stance, and fluid lines create a presence that feels both powerful and graceful. The signature Maybach chrome grille dominates the front, gleaming with authority, flanked by ultra-precise digital light headlamps that sparkle like finely cut diamonds. The two-tone paintwork, hand-applied by Maybach's artisans, shimmers subtly under different lighting. It doesn't just reflect light, it dances with it. Every curve, every contour has been designed not only for aerodynamics, but for visual poetry. Open the door, and it's like entering a private lounge crafted for royalty. The cabin is wrapped in the softest Napa leather, each stitch placed by hand, each panel polished to perfection. The seats are more like thrones, designed to cradle rather than just support, complete with massage, ventilation, and temperature-adjusted armrests. Ambient lighting sets the mood, glowing gently through hidden lines, while the air carries Maybach's signature fragrance. The digital cockpit feels alive, centered around a floating OLED touchscreen powered by Mercedes' latest MBUX system. Speak naturally, and the car responds, adjusting your climate, seat settings, or even lighting preferences. It learns how you like to travel. The steering wheel, trimmed in chrome and piano black, feels like a precision instrument, and the displays behind it merge elegance with innovation. The Maybach insignia glows subtly across the dashboard, reminding you this isn't an ordinary Mercedes, it's something far rarer. Even the Burmeister 4D surround sound system transforms the ride into a private concert hall. The sound doesn't just surround you, it moves through you, with seat-mounted resonators that let you feel the rhythm of every note. Under that magnificent hood lies a hand-built 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with mild hybrid technology, delivering roughly 800 horsepower. The acceleration is breathtaking, 0 to 60 in about 3.5 seconds, but the power feels serene, almost effortless. The 9-speed automatic transmission shifts with silk-smooth precision, while the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system distributes power intelligently for perfect balance. The adaptive suspension reads the road in real time, softening or tightening within milliseconds. It's not just driving, it's gliding. The Mythos turns every mile into a symphony of comfort, power, and control. Drop the soft-top roof, and in just seconds, the Mythos transforms from a grand touring coupe into an open-air masterpiece. The breeze, the sound of the engine, the sight of the horizon, it all becomes part of the experience. The rear end, sleek and refined, carries subtle Maybach branding, and the taillights glow with an unmistakable modern signature. Everything about this car is designed to make a statement without raising its voice. But what truly elevates the SL Mythos above all others is exclusivity. Mercedes isn't building many of these. It's invitation only reserved for a select few. Every unit can be personalized through Maybach's bespoke atelier program, where clients can choose unique materials, colors, and finishes. Even have custom emblems or interior monograms created just for them. It's not simply buying a car, it's commissioning art on wheels. Driving the Maybach SL Mythos isn't about chasing speed, it's about mastering it. It's about feeling absolute control in total silence. It's for those who don't need to prove anything, their car already does. Wherever it goes, it doesn't just attract eyes, it commands respect. People don't just see it, they sense its presence. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL Mythos series isn't trying to be the fastest, nor the flashiest. It exists in a class of its own, a pure expression of luxury, performance, and soul. In a world where noise often defines success, the Mythos whispers elegance. It's a reminder that true greatness doesn't need to shout. For those who believe driving should be as emotional as it is mechanical, this is the ultimate masterpiece, a car that turns motion into poetry and luxury into legend. This is Mercedes-Benz at its absolute finest.